the race-ready track beast, a weapon of choice, the McLaren 620R, in all its glory in a very unique color of storm grey. This is said to be the only one in the world out of 225 built in this unique specification. And I've got the MSO carbon fiber roof scoop, which is, believe this, an $88,000 option here in Australia. But that's another story altogether. Starting off, this car has a carbon fiber front bumper. It's got carbon fiber inlets that go right through, all the way up to the bonnet scoops. So the air comes out of this bonnet, straight through, over the roof and onto that rear spoiler with this massive, gigantic roof scoop that sucks in all the air so you can hear the turbo whooshes and blow-off sounds. It's simply adorable. Trust me, it's irresistible. But what they've also added on the front bumper are these side canyons, which assist in turning, in that steering when you're on the track. Don't forget, this is an actual track weapon. It weighs so much lighter than a 600 LT. It's significantly quicker, 0 to 100 kilometers an hour in only 2.9 seconds. It's still a very quick car. It's got a lot of carbon fiber everywhere. It's got special formed aluminium that actually makes this car lighter. So anywhere that you knock on it, it's significantly lighter. It's based on the 570 GT4 race car that we all know. And that's one of McLaren's most successful GT racing series car. And then they produce this. It's got 620 horsepower opposed to 570, 50 horsepower more and 20 horsepower more than a 600 LT. And at the front, we have 19-inch MSO lightweight wheels specifically designed for the 620R. They also have Pirelli Trofeo R tires, so that's a semi-slick tire that you can use on the street. So don't forget, this is also road legal, so you can drive this car from the road, take it from home, straight to the track. You don't have to put it on the back of a truck, and it's even quicker than a 570 GT4. Think about that. And over here on the front side wings, we've got carbon fiber louvers, which again, on any other standard McLaren, is an MSO option, so you pay a lot of money for this. But this is an MSO built car. Then over to the doors, we've got carbon fiber paneling right at the back here. So when you open this door, it feels a lot lighter. So where McLaren could use carbon fiber, like this side inlet scoop here and up here, they actually used it to reduce weight. If they keep reducing so much weight on this car will be so twitchy and all over the place. Right now, it's well balanced. The roof is also carbon fiber, so you've got enough of that. And what you do have is 20-inch wheels up here at the rear, wrapped again with Pirelli Trofeo R tires. It's simply amazing. In person, these rims look great. And overall, the whole car looks stunning. But now we're over to the back and we've got the 570 GT4 rear spoiler. It's exactly the same and it is a massive, it's big. And this provides a lot of downforce for this car. So increased downforce compared to the 600 LT. This car has a 3.8 litre twin turbo V8 engine. In this form, it's the most powerful, the most that they could extract for this small series car. If they added more weight, this thing here would handle crazy, because don't forget, it's a rear-wheel drive car. It's not an all-wheel drive. And what it is that it's a track weapon. It also has, for the first time, from what I've heard, is, for this series, an MSO exhaust system, which sounds simply phenomenal. The sound that this produces, everybody complained about McLaren not producing the sound that they should, right? So there's like soulless cars. Well, this is the answer to that. It's a handful. It's a car that handles great, it steers great, it accelerates great, it provides so much sound. It doesn't sound like a Dyson or a vacuum cleaner. It sounds better. And believe me, that burble that it produces is wow. . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . For me, this is where all the magic happens. This is what you call a baby center. That's right, look at it. It's got the center bucket seats that actually fit me. So they're double XL, I could say, because I've sat in a center and I didn't fit too well. In this car, I fit just right. 6'1", 250 pounds. This is easy. All Alcantara, the whole interior cabin is wrapped with that. Everything is black. A lot of matte carbon fiber, which is a beautiful added touch. This race-inspired McLaren has signature qualities. The paddle shifters are a single piece of carbon fiber that you can use one section to go tap up, or you can push the same paddle down to tap down a gear. The steering wheel is all wrapped in Alcantara with matte carbon. The center tunnel here has been lifted up so it could be closer to your hand, so you can adjust all your qualities that you need in this car. Softer suspension, harder suspension, quicker gear shifting, whatever you need can actually be adjusted just at a hand's reach away within, I'd say, 30 centimeters. You've got the screen here. It's still that big iPad inspired type of screen, touch screen, carbon fiber, matte carbon everywhere. The whole monocoque is actually carbon fiber, so it's super lightweight, as are the seats. And you've also got racing harnesses here, which strap you into this car. Would I want it any other way? Nope. To me, this is the best spec, most highly spec 620R I've ever seen, and I really love it. This is a wrap to the collection day. Tune in for the full road test review. It's what we do best as Supercar Advocates. Cheers.